Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of As a Villainous Heroine, It's Normal for Me to Develop a Yandere Heroine. Chapter 39, so here it is. Let's read the story. Xiaoyang is so sure. I thought Xiaoyang knew something. Starju said to Xiaoyang. But looking at her, she covered herself on the blanket. But if Xiaoyang knew, there was no reason to hide it from me. Starju said to her, looking at Starju, seems to be serious. After all, Xiaoyang wants me to be happy, and lies will only bring misfortune, right? Starju said to Xiaoyang. Xiaoyang, right now, in the face of Xinglu, trusting eyes, the excuse of what I was thinking of collapse. Well, it seems that Xiaoyang seems to be. She can answer her right now and said to her, sorry. Looking at her face, she seems to be sad. Well, probably. She is afraid, but right now. Sarja said, I hate it. Xiaoyang, why do you suddenly apologize? Well, she was right. You don't need to be apologized. Things happen. Misfortune that Louis is currently experiencing is caused by me. Oh, Xiaoyang said to her. That's why she feels so sad. Xiaoyang, wait, does this sentence mean the misfortunes you are experiencing now? What I mean is, I'm constantly repeating the incarnations. Now, it makes sense to Xiaoyang. Sarju, she was thinking right now. Probably she was. Because of what she said. Now, she want to think again. I've seen what happened in your past and in the future, but I didn't stop it. Well, did you really want to tell her what happened before? I can only watch you suffer in the choice of sorry. First to the game plot damage. The world is self-improvements. All stories, not just programs. It's a knifing brief on all the characters. Understanding the other party knows that they are trying to escape the loop. Xiaoyang has been lying to me all the time, watching me to do useless work. Now, it really makes sense to start you. It's not useless. The situation is different now, Xiaoyang said to her. Looking at Starju, did she really feel sorry for her? Well, as of now, in the past, even if I was betrayed by friends, Miller and the other choose to trust others, have never felt this way. Well, maybe because it was Xiaoyang. That's why she was feel betrayed. Chess is just like being hit. The freezing technique and it hurts and hurts. When I think that the person who does this is Xiaoyang. Now, it really makes sense to her. It's like she feels so sad because it was Xiaoyang. Breathing is more like swallowing a knife. Xiaoyang said to her. Xiaoyang grabbed her face. She wanted to look straight at her. Obviously, she was close to her. At first, find a way to leave the loop. Now, she really knows the answer. That's why she was crying hard. Probably, she really feels sad. But why you don't feel relaxed in your heart? Where is the difference? Well, right now, Starju, she really kept herself crying. Of course, it really hurts her because it was Xiaoyang. But right now, maybe she was thinking, well, it has a good point, or it was really on the flat. But no matter what, it's different from the beginning. Well, she remember on what happened. Well, she really feels difference with her. Now, remembering all the fuss, when I saw Xiaoying, sense of security and trust that came out on my heart made me unable to ignore it. Oh, this is great. At least right now, she is not refusing Xiaoyang, although he was clamoring for me to contact her presumptuously. Well, of course, we don't want to do. But what is this called? What is these insinuations? I will solve the future. It won't hurt you again. Xiaoyang promised her, but looking at her, whatever she thinks right now, of course, it can make difference. But she is gladly to accept Xiaoyang. Who cares about that? I can solve it myself. What I care about is, no, Xiaoyang's attitude towards me doesn't seem to know that I have been incarnated. More like I have been dealing with me. Now, it really makes sense to the two of them. Two, your mood has changed a bit quickly and I can keep up. Don't worry about this. Just say it. Starju talking to Xiaoyang, but Xiaoyang, instructions of Star Clan, is exposed in the Valleys village, learning the magics in the church. Entered the college through the college exam and met the miller on the way to the school. Now, they both thinking hard. It's something that happens every time I perceive what Xiaoyang's know is similar to me. So what did Xiaoyang just say to me and make my miserable life just these things? But it scared people to death, so Xiaoyang only knows what's on me. She neither the cause of the cycle nor what I really look like. Now, Starju, she was thinking again. Probably she really want to solve this case. Although there's still no progress in escaping from the cycle, the mood is much more relaxed. I thought that the impact of being betrayed was too great. How she knew about me. Why she should protect me. Well, this is the things that right now she seems to be confused. This seems in the some kind of magic. But it is all about it. Well, maybe there's more. Since the world will be perfect soon, there should be no need to tell you that the world is a game and it's all over. Why to protect her? She kept herself silent. When I saw Lu, I felt that I should do this. Oh, it's like it was insinuations that she really need to help her. That's why she really need to do this. I hate it. Xiaoyang's eyes are too bright. I feel like I'm going to be seen through. So what is the way to protect me? Transfer some things in the power of the stars? How can I transfer the power of the stars? Xiaoyang explaining to her. Well, it seems that it was really difficult. And why is to have the power? The stars. What is this memory? Now she remember what happened. The wall that time. But right now, she was really thinking. She remembered that face. Of course, since Starju is possessing a high power of star power, of course, she really need to do these things. Starju said, Xiaoyang, are you alright? Well, she really wanted to remember what happened in the past. How to help Lu. She and Lu, have you ever seen it? Well, this is really strange for her. It seems that it was not clearly in the past for now. We can really solve this. Thank you so much Alice Hartford for supporting this channel. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to help, you can support by clicking the join membership button. Thank you guys, bye!